Hola, big hola to you. Es el 26 de marzo, 2020. Important announcements. Número uno, always watch my video lesson before doing anything else. There's important information in these things, so if you guys just skip right to the assignments, it could be to your detriment. So just make sure, first thing you do when you decide you're going to do your Spanish work for the day, click on today's lesson, access the material. I'm going to teach you for about 5 minutes. You can handle it. And then go on and complete your assignments and call it a day for Spanish. However, I am going to start to make sure that you are watching my videos because I am going to implant little questions in them that you will answer. And this is to make sure that you are paying attention and absorbing the material that I'm trying to teach. Another thing I want you guys to do is to join the 7th grade Quizlet class. Okay, I sent out a link to all of you, and I don't have all of you as members yet of 7th grade Spanish. So make sure you do that for me. It is required. Very important to join my Quizlet class, 7th grade Spanish. Also, not required, but please do subscribe to my YouTube account. I'm going to upload a bunch of good lessons up there, and I'll try and make them as entertaining as possible. Another very important announcement is you must turn in. Okay, so you must hit the turn in button in Google Classroom after you complete an assignment. So sometimes you guys are doing what I ask, you're completing the assignment, but you forget to hit the turn in button, and it kind of messes me up in the gradebook when you do that. So just a reminder for the assignments, always hit the turn in button. This is how you submit to me your work so that I can grade it. This week, first of all, you guys have been doing great work, but I haven't been grading as rigorously as I normally do. So let's just get used to our situation, and as we get accustomed to our new way of doing class, I will start to grade you a little more rigorously. So just make sure that you're on top of your studies. And then this weekend, we've got to schedule a weekly Zoom tutorial. Everybody's welcome to join. Ask questions about Spanish. Just say hola to me if you'd like. I'm going to try and get those scheduled this weekend, so it'll be a weekly thing that we can do from here on out. All right, so we're still talking about los verbos en el presente. Hemos hablado ya de los verbos AR, such as hablar. Okay, so look at these conjugations, beautiful conjugations. We've practiced with some AR verbs before. You guys are taking a quiz today on ER verbs, just the infinitives though. We're not doing a quiz on the conjugations just yet. And you'll find that the ER and the IR conjugations are quite similar. In fact, they're only different. The endings are the same. Except for the nosotros and vosotros forms. The IR endings are imos and is, and the ER endings are emos and es. But other than that, ER and IR verbs are sometimes even taught together. All right, so today we're going to do a little work with IR verbs, and then I'm going to send you on your way for a good weekend of relaxation. Primero vamos a hacer unos ejemplos, some examples. Let's go. So the verb vivir, we already know is to live. Let's take a look at what we need to do here. Do you live in New York? Usted en Nueva York? Take a moment. Think of the right conjugation of the verb to live. How would you change vivir and put it in its usted form? Good job. Decidir, to decide, another nice cognate. Tú, lo que vamos a hacer. You decide what we are going to do. Ir plus a plus infinitive. Tú decides lo que vamos a hacer. Recibir. Vosotros, muchos regalos durante la Navidad. All right, what do you think? All right, vosotros recibís muchos regalos durante la Navidad. Este fin de semana no hay tarea. No homework this weekend, guys. Thank you for a good, productive first week. Y nos vemos la semana que viene. Nos vemos el lunes. Hasta lunes.